Starting out with my brows already done, I'm going to prime my face with my Touch and Soul No Pore Blem Primer. And to prime my eyes, I'm using my Plouise base in Rumour 2. I'm using the Crayon Case Box of Crayons palette, and I'm going to use this shade called Tan, and I'm just going to add that to my crease. Going in with my Abh Riviera Palette, and I'm going to use this shade called Monte Carlo in my transition area and blend it out. And then going back into that same palette, I'm going to use this pink shimmer shade on my lid in the middle portion. And then back into that palette again, and I use this chocolate brown shade in the corner just to add some definition to the outer portion of my eye. And then back into the Box Crayons palette, I'm going to use this yellow shade in the inner portion of my eye just to add a little bit of pop of color. I added wing liner and lashes off camera, and the lashes that I am wearing are by TheMakeup Shack, and they are in the style Paris. For foundation, I am using a sample of the Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation, and as you can see, this is not my shade, and that's a good thing about Sephora. You can get samples and find out what's your shade and what is not. But I do continue with using the foundation because I wanted to see if I like the finish of it, which I do, and I decided to go in with another layer of the foundation. I think it was my brush that didn't give me a good application, but I did like the final outcome and the finish of the foundation. And I'm also using a sample of the Huda Beauty concealer as well, and I'm using the shade Caramel Corn, adding that under my eyes, and I'm blending that out, and also setting with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder as well. So now that I'm looking all casket sharp, and you can see that my foundation looks like I have on a mask, and you can see the transition from my face to my actual skin, and it kind of matches my chest, but I do follow up with my contour, and I'm using this black Raidiance contour palette, and I'm using the shade Sculpt just to contour out my nose. And I'm going to bronze up my skin to add some color and definition to my face because of that light foundation. And I'm using the Fenty Sunstalker bronzer in Coco Naughty. I did lose the clip where I added the highlighter, but I used the Afternoon Snack Mo Money highlighter, and I just added a gloss. I do appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.